Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Adi Irfan bin Muhammad Zahar. I am from DAD2. Today I want to talk about integration. Before I talk about integration, let me introduce what is integration. In mathematics, an integral assigns number to function in a way that describes displacement, area, volume, and other concepts that arise by combining investment data. The process of finding integral is called integration. Integrals are used to evaluate such quantity as area, volume, work, and in general, any quantity that can be interpreted as the area under a curve.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nur Hafiz bin Azman and my metric number card is 01DAD20F2035. There are a few methods that we can use for integration, which is integration by substitution, integration by parts, integration using trigonometric identities, integration of some particular function, and lastly, integration by partial fraction. In real life use, integration is very much needed. For example, to calculate the center of mass, center of gravity, and mass moment of inertia of a sport utility vehicle. To calculate the velocity and trajectory of an object, predict the position of planets, and understand electromagnetism. Just as definite integrals can be used to find the area under a curve, they can also be used to find the area between two curves. To find the area between two curves, define by function, integrate the difference of the functions.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aiman bin Muhammad Khairul. My matrix number is 01DAD20F2033. The question that our group will present is to solve each of the following integrals by using suitable method. For question A, we use integration by parts method with the formula uv minus v du. U equals x square for du equals 2x dx. dv exponential 4x integral dv to become v is 1 over 4 exponential 4x. For the first way to work is to enter the value that have been searched into the formula to get the first equation. Next, find the new value from the first equation to be included in the second word part using the same formula. Then take 1 over 4 multiplied by 1 over 2 of the first equation to get the third equation. Finally, use the third equation to integrate the equation and get the answer x square exponential 4x over 4 minus x exponential 4x over 8 plus exponential 4x over 32 plus c. For question B, we use the partial fraction method. Firstly, factor in the equation x cubed plus x square minus 2x and get x bracket x minus 1 bracket x as the first equation. 2x square plus 8 over x bracket x minus 1 bracket x plus 2 equals a over x plus b over x minus 1 plus c over x plus 2 as the first equation. By using the first equation makes the second equation is 2x square plus 8 equals a bracket x minus 1 bracket x plus 2 plus bx bracket x plus 2 plus c bracket x minus 1 to become a second equation. To find the b with the value x equals 1, substitute in the second equation to get the answer b equals 10 over 3. To find c with value x equals negative 2, substitute also in the second equation to get c equals 16 over 3. To determine the value of a, expand the second equation and compare coefficient of x. We choose the value of c to compare coefficient of x to get the answer a equals 4. Substitute all value of a equal 4, b equal 10 over 3 and c equal 16 over 3. Integrate into a over x plus b over x minus 1 plus c x plus 2. Once integrate, it will be the last answer is 4 ln x plus 10 over 3 ln x minus 1 plus 16 over 3 ln x plus 2 plus c.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zulfadli bin Abdul Rahman. My metric number is 01DAD20F 2018 and I can explain the conclusion. From the presentation that our group has done with integration as a mathematical technique, I have been able to come up with solution of the different methods used. Each method carries a simple and clear way, thus can be used for practical data. Furthermore, with tables and diagrams, I have been able to find and compare actual data with predicted data from a very common and basic point of view. Integration is used for measuring things. It might be a length, area, or volume. It can also be probabilities in the context of unplanned variable. It helps in measuring the behavior of a function in any specific sense that wants to measure the behavior. Thank you.